Hey, what you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. Boom, boom, boom. What you mean? What you mean? Boom, boom. What you mean? What you mean? Boom, boom. What you mean? What you mean? Boom, boom. Subscribe. Hey, what's poppin', YouTube? You already know who it is. It's your boy, OK Oso, aka I'm back, baby. And we got a tutorial right now. It's about to be fresh and poppin' straight out the oven. We right here on your head with it. Let's go. Alright, so let's jump right into this. Right now, we doing a sleek rubber band ponytail. No, that does not mean the ponytail is made out of rubber bands for you smart Alex out there. This is a style that's easily achievable and easy to maintain and do. Right now, I'm just sectioning the hair off and I'm braiding it up into a ponytail format. This is going to help the hair retain the moisture. As you can see, it is very slick and slippery, so be careful because you just might fall. Okay, so as this style is starting to reveal itself to me, it's looking like it's going to be some type of stitch braid or something. Oh, what's up, dude? Okay, I'll holler at you, player. Alright, so we're going to jump right into this next section right here. This is a horseshoe section because it resembles the type of shoes horses wear. So this is what we're going to do to separate the ponytail from the rest of the hair that we got out in the back. We can't fit it all into a stitch braid, so this is what we have to do. Oh, wait a minute, surprise. She split it in half. Look at that. And she put some grease on that thing. Gotta leave it laid and slayed, I guess. Alright, so right now we just combing these infant hairs to their resting place on the forehead. And now we're going to start braiding some of the excess infant hair into the side sections that we just created. I can't wait until you guys see what we're going to get ourselves into, because this thing is going to turn out into something fantastic. We're doing stitch braids all around the head, and we're going to do 2 stitch braids at the top, it appears, maybe into 2 separate sections that lead into the ponytail. Oh wow, that's going to be bomb. Okay, and then here we go, transition, bow. Look at that. Looks like I was right. Now we're going to do some sectioning on the side of the head, and we're going to do some more braiding, I would assume. I've been right so far. I'm an expert at this, so trust me. We're going to take these sections that we got right now, and then we're going to start sectioning them some more, I guess. We're going to take these sections and make even more sections. We're going to make 4 sections. Okay, so as you can see, I took one of them 4 sections and I put a rubber band around it. Not too tight though, because that can suffocate your client's scalp, and that can result in a hair suffocation, which can cause your hair to pretty much die. Alright, so as you can see, it looks like we're playing connect the dots with the 4 sections, and these are going to be crossing each other. It's going to make it look like an X, and the X is really marking the spot on this one because we really did our thing. This is a banger if I ever seen one. Okay, so now we get into the meat and potatoes of this hairstyle. We got it up into the ponytail. All the stitches are stitched and all the X's are crossed. So now we're gonna take this ponytail and we're gonna do some things with it. We're gonna braid it up. Okay, so as you can see, I'm taking my patented paper do-rag and I'm wrapping it around the client's braided ponytail extension piece. This is called a ponytail extension piece because this is what we're going to use to actually apply the ponytail around the paper do-rag. It's going to be used as a base, so the material that we put on the paper do-rag doesn't stick to the client's hair. So right now, I just want to take this moment to appreciate this piece of work that we got right now. Let's just look at this right here. It looks like a tea kettle. Come on now, this is beautiful work. Okay, right now, we're going to start applying the ponytail adhesive to the paper do-rag material, and then we're going to start wrapping the hair around the paper do-rag in order to give the illusion of ponytail. Now this technique has been used for centuries, dating back to the ancient Mayans back in their culture when they used to wrap grass and stuff around their pants. Now look at that. You can't even tell that's not her hair, bruh. It really looks like that's her hair in a ponytail right now. And now we're going to take some of this excess hair that we wrapped around the paper do-rag, put a little spritz on there, make it shine, make it gleam, make it pop. And now we got something that we can wear on the regular on a daily basis. And we're going to step outside looking like $1,000,000, you feel me? YouTube, we done found the X's on the map. We done found the X's on the map. We done got the treasure. This is the treasure right here. Check the style out. Look at the fine stitching. Look at the infant hairs. They laid, they sprayed, they swooped, baby. Oh man. Hey, thanks for tuning in, guys. If you like this style, make sure you drop a comment in the comment section below. Leave something to let us know. Panda appreciates you. I appreciate you. And you know who it is. Mr. I'm back, baby. And we here with another one. We out of here with another one. And we gonna bring you another one on the next tutorial. I catch you on the flip side. I'm out. Hey, what you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. Boom, boom, boom. What you mean? What you mean? Boom, boom. What you mean? What you mean? Boom, boom. What you mean? What you mean? Boom, boom. Subscribe.